Hi, this is Imtiaz Ali and you're watching me on MissMalini.com. Because I did not find producers to make it, I've actually thought of the story of Highway some 16 years back, I think, and I was pitching for it to be the first film that I ever make, but didn't find producers, didn't happen, and I made Socha Na Tha, then I made Jab We Met, then I made 2 more films, and then finally it's time to, it somehow came back. So it's about a story that doesn't leave you, and it's finally made. And I'm glad that I'm making it now, because I think it has, in my mind, remaining there for such a long time, it has automatically simplified itself. I don't think I was ready as a director to make Highway before this. I've tried to make Highway and construct it in different ways, in more dramatic ways, less dramatic ways, more romantic ways, more obviously glamorous ways, etc., etc. And finally, I think it just stayed in its pure, unadulterated form. And it's neat now. It's not adulterated. There is something very distinct being said in the film. The soul of the film cannot be expressed in words, which is why the movie has been made. But there was something that this girl in this journey was experiencing and trying to say, and I just couldn't get that out. Sometimes it's so fascinating that you have to be away from society to see it properly. I did not pull out any script. Although I'd written different scripts at different times for Highway, I didn't pull anything out. I just wrote afresh. So you don't go back to it, I feel. I never do that. I just say, what is it for me now? The story would change. Whenever you make it is when you have to decide. And I think a film has, there's something subconscious which tells you that you can't make this film, and that's why a film doesn't get made. This was the time for Highway to get made. I'd like to show you a small sketch that my friend has made for me. It has nothing to do with Highway, but it is very fascinating that he should have made that sketch and sent it to me without knowing the story of Highway. Okay? Just hold on. So this is my friend who we call Sadda, whose actual name is Rajesh Sarkar in Jamshedpur. He's made this. And this is, I think, civilization. And this is a bird that is flying in an unmarked kind of territory. And this bird, coming from this city, will have an opinion, a different opinion about this city when it is here. So I think Highway is like that. What is constant in the journeys, I feel, is the fact that you discover yourself very simply, because oftentimes when I'm in a zone that I know or that I live, then I feel like I have a role. You know, I already have an expectation. I've been programmed in a certain way, so I behave in that certain way. Because people know, you don't realize it. You also become, you start playing the role of what you're expected to be in a certain situation. When you are in a new situation where people don't know you, where you don't know the terrain, you are free of that. There is no imposition of any training, of any role playing like that. So you can be anything, anybody. And that is very relieving. I think, when I used to travel earlier, they used to ask me, so what do you do? And I used to say, I'm a spy. Or that I can't tell you who I am. Things like that, just for the heck of it. And then the whole day I used to think that actually I am a spy. I'm a Secret Service agent. And everyone used to think that, oh fuck, he's a Secret Service agent. Or whatever, I would say I'm a writer, or when I was a student I would say that, or I would say that anything. And you would play that character, you would be somebody else. I feel that it's boring to be the same person through your life. I can't stand it. See, I'm used to shooting films where the script is fully done. And then I do changes and improvisations, etc. But the script is fully done. I know what I'm going to do. There the location becomes a mere backdrop. I'm not taking much more than that from it. But in the scope of this film, I felt that I had to be much more flexible. I could afford to be flexible in Highway because I knew the script very well. I knew the story very well. I knew what this particular scene is trying to say. So then, if I know nothing else, I'm still fine. So then if I go to a particular location and see what the conditions are and see what I'm feeling at that point of time, and I use all those elements and right then and there, freshly made omelette and serve it hot to the actors, then it becomes more organic. Then there's a reason why I've gone to Himachal. Then there's a reason why I've done this whole journey and why I didn't sit in this office and have the same scenes played out to the same effect. So so I've tried to be open like that. So my script was not ready. I used to write the dialogue on the set or just before reaching. Just like we were on this journey and I was trying for the script to be just slightly ahead of the journey so that we have. And oftentimes while climbing a hill, I'm holding Alia and walking and we are going up and I'm discussing the dialogue with her and telling her that this is what you should say, is this good or not, and that's how the script has been written. Here, more or less, the script has been finalized after the shooting. Because often I've just discussed with my actors over there and said, okay, you say this, no, okay, say this and say that, and that's how we've written this. I think that I should be, as a director, flexible to make any movie the way that it should be made. And I'm looking at you and talking to you and I'm constantly thinking of Jab We Met. But for instance, Jab We Met could not have been made like this. You needed more structure there. But Jab We Met today perhaps could be made like this. You know, cinema has also changed. It allows me more flexibility. Jab We Met for its time was a very unique and a slightly experimental film, which was granted a mainstream stature much after its release. Today, if you make a film like Jab We Met, it's mainline, hardcore, mainstream, you know. So you should have the flexibility, you should have the capability as the director to make the movie in a way that it demands to be made. And this movie demanded to be made like this. The next movie perhaps will not be. Everything goes wrong in every movie for I think me. And maybe many other directors after its release. There is no movie of mine that I see and I like. There is no scene of mine that I see and I feel there is nothing wrong in it. And so therefore Jab We Met as well. There are lots of locations which could have been better. There are lots of detail of aesthetics that could have been better. There are there is some casting that could have been better. There is also a lot of dialogue and performance that could have